Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how to implement ultrasonic distance measurement using the MSP430F5529. First, we can see some macro definitions that specify the CPU clock frequency, delay function, trigger pin, and pin numbers for the echo pins. These four functions are used for debugging, including serial port initialization, serial port data transmission, floating point to string conversion function. The distance variable is used to store the distance obtained by the ultrasonic sensor. The other two are related to serial communication data. In the main function, we configured the pin direction and initial state. Among them, P1.3 is configured as an output mode, used as the trigger pin for the ultrasonic sensor. P1.4 is configured in input mode, used as the echo pin for the ultrasonic sensor. We also called the youyeetoo function, used for initializing serial communication, facilitates sending the measured distance to the terminal device. Then, within the while loop, we perform the following operations. Set the trigger pin to a high logic level and delay for 10 microseconds. Then, set the trigger pin to a low logic level, thus sending a 10 microsecond pulse, waiting for the echo pin to transition to a high logic level, and starting the timer, waiting for the echo pin to transition to a low state and then measuring the time elapsed. Based on the timer's count value, calculate the distance and store it in the distance variable.
The current system's main clock is 1 MHz.
The counting unit of the TAI counter value is in nanoseconds. The distance calculated in the current context is measured in centimeters. Convert the measured distance into string format and send it through the serial port. Delay for 1 second, waiting for the next measurement. Let's take a look at the results. We can see that the ultrasonic distance measurement is quite accurate. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.